Hi, I'm Dr. Raymond Douglas of Beverly Hills, California. Many of my patients have asked me how they can look younger without surgery. And I'm going to discuss 3 ways to look younger without surgery that we perform in our office. And there are many options in today, from lasers to injections to fillers, but I'm going to focus just upon these 3 because I think that they really help to understand and to improve facial contour and give the biggest bang for your buck. So the first is Botox, the second is something called a fat dissolver, Kybella, and the third are fillers. So Botox, I think, gives the biggest bang for your buck as far as improving the signs of wrinkles and angry face. And you don't want to get rid of you being happy. You don't want to get rid of moving your eyebrows or of showing emotion, but instead, I think most people would manage to eliminate the frown or the angry look that they see. So Botox is incredibly useful for doing that. Botox is something that impairs the muscle function. So it doesn't plump you up like a filler does, and we'll discuss, but Botox impairs muscle from functioning and causes it not to move. And Botox is incredibly safe, probably safer than aspirin given in the right doses. And it's been used and was actually first used for a medical problem where people have these spasms. But Botox, especially given right around the upper brow area, can lift the eyebrow, and it can actually reshape and recontour the eyebrow. And some patients who have one eyebrow that's lower than another, I'll raise one, and we give it in a very customized way after a discussion as far as what you want to achieve. Because that's what it's really all about, is what patients want to achieve and feel good about walking out of the office. Botox is not something that lasts forever, but it really does dramatically improve the aging process. The second that I'm going to talk about is a fat dissolver called Kybella. And we do this in the office for spot treatments. And I think it's really useful because everyone, including myself, has that little pocket of fat that they just hate and want to get rid of. And it's not enough to take a patient to the OR to necessarily do liposuction, but what this product does is it's injectable, and you can give it just in these little spot places to improve the facial contour, or to improve and get rid of that little double chin that may have appeared after the holidays. But this is a nice product, and it can really dramatically improve especially the under chin area, and that's where we use it. Occasionally you can also reduce a little bit of jowling or that lower face sagginess. And occasionally for certain patients I would use it on their body. Especially, sometimes my female patients will be wearing something tight and they want to reduce just a little roll here or there. And Kybella permanently dissolves fat, and it has to be delivered typically in a treatment of 3 times. But it permanently dissolves the fat and it doesn't come back. And it's really nice because it leaves a great smooth result. It's non-surgical. You come in an hour, you go home, and then you start to see the results, usually in a few weeks, as your body pulls away those dead fat cells out and leaves you with fewer fat cells. The third is filler. And filler comes in so many different varieties today, and I'm not going to talk about the different types of filler. That's more for an individual consultation. But filler can be used to really dramatically improve the aging process and give a youthful appearance. Filler can be used under the eyes to eliminate the lower eyelid bagginess and sag and the under eye bags that really so many people hate. It can also kind of plump up the cheek. Not so much that it looks abnormal, but just to kind of give that little reversal of 5 years and just a little improvement of that cheek appearance. Filler I also use in the eyebrow and in the temple region. That's where there's a lot of fat loss as we age, and that can really dramatically make someone look older and allow their eyebrows to sag. And just by plumping this up a little bit with filler, can dramatically improve this appearance. And again, filler comes in various forms that last from a few months to many years. So it's best to have an individual consultation, but I at least want to introduce you to these 3 ways to get a natural improvement of youthful appearance without surgery. If you like our content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.